Hi. In this video, we will guide you through the process of archiving matters in Lexzur. This approach works for both corporate matters and litigation cases. Navigate to the core module, then open the matters or litigation list from the main menu. To archive a matter, you can simply click on the three dots action next to its ID and choose Archive. To archive a couple of matters, select the matters you need, then proceed by clicking on Tools and selecting the Archive option. If you're within a specific matter and want to archive it upon completion, just head to the Actions button and click Archive. Once done, the archived matters will be removed completely from the grid. To retrieve archived matters, go to the Matter grid, then open the Filters menu to search and filter based on the archive filter equals to Yes. All the archived matters will appear after submitting. If you wish to unarchive them, simply select the matters, click on Tools, then choose Unarchive. For more information about Lexzur, kindly reach out to us at help@lexzur.com.